Let's talk about another mental model for math which boosts your test scores and evaporates stress. I'll get to the details in a moment, but first, do you have goals in life? Do you know this may be hurting you? How, you ask? Well, here's how. Goals focus on outputs, like getting a 4.0 GPA or running a mile in 6 minutes or making 10 new friends a year. The problem is goals are output based, and outputs are driven by inputs. Goals focus on the big picture, and systems focus on the details. And it's in the details where the magic happens. And this is what I want to talk to you about in this video, the inputs. While goals give you a target to shoot at, they aren't always in your control. Inputs, on the other hand, you can control. Remember, winners and losers have the same goal, but one achieves it and one does not. So ask yourself, what is the difference? And the answer is systems. If you look at life as a system, you have inputs and outputs. The inputs are the behaviors and mindsets and skills you have or build. The goals or outcomes are the outputs. So how do we optimize our life as a system? We use a mental model called systems versus goals. Suppose we have a goal of getting an 80% or higher on a quiz. We don't know what questions the teacher will give in the quiz, but we do know the quiz will cover 5 concepts. We also know each concept contains 2 components. Therefore, we need to focus on 5 times 2 equals 10 components for our quiz. Besides skills, our system also depends on things like memory and brain power. So how do we optimize memory and brain power? These parts of the system also have components. The components for these include sleep, diet, and repeated practice of the components of the quiz. So ask yourself, what is your ideal amount of sleep? Do you sleep well on your bed, or do you need a new mattress to optimize your sleep? For memory improvement, ask yourself, what vitamins and minerals support a strong memory? And finally, for memory of the 10 components, how do we improve your memory? Repetition through practice. We'd improve this part of the system by taking practice quizzes over and over and over. When you work on the system, you develop good habits. Good habits, done long enough, turn into permanent behaviors. They start to become automatic. You see, it's nice to have goals, but it's even nicer to work on the pieces that contribute to your goals, things you can control. Improve the system, improve the end result. I want to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to our channel to get more content like this.